Speak English with Gift. Learn, practice, and speak English with confidence.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Speak English with Gift. This episode is your 5 to 8 minute English shadowing practice. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not just listening, it's speaking practice. So, open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't pause, don't skip. Stay with me until the end. Let's begin. All right, the easy morning routine. Every day begins in the morning. Let's practice the basics. I wake up. Now you. When I wake up, I open the curtains. Now you say. Then I take a deep breath and stretch. Now you say. Sometimes I don't want to get up. I think, just 30 more minutes. Now you say. When I go to the restroom, I wash my face first. Your turn. I brush my teeth. Say it slowly. Great! Now, let's head to the kitchen. I drink some water. Now you. I make some coffee. Your turn. I eat breakfast. Now you. I skip breakfast when I'm late. Now you say it. I grab my bag. Your turn. And now I leave the house for work. Now you. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Now say it slowly. Sometimes I bring food from home. Now you say it. Other days I eat at a small cafe. Your turn. I listen to music while I eat. Now you say it. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. Now you say it. I focus on finishing my work. Now you repeat. In the evening, when I finally get home, I just want to relax. Now you say it. I relax with my family. Now you say. Very good, my friend. You just practiced almost a full day in English in just 5 minutes. That's amazing progress. The more you describe your own day in English, the more natural you will sound. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Gift, and this is Speak English with Gift. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Bye for now.
Great job, guys. Don't forget, you listen, you practice. That is how you get better at English language. Like, subscribe for easy English conversation, and also leave a comment below. Thank you and bye.